Oh my god. I did eat some spicy ramen. Banger. Yes. Banger alert. Goddamn. Yeah, I ate some ramen before I streamed. Like super spicy ramen. That's good. 99% air. Yeah, guys, dude. I don't fart. Did you guys know that? Like, it's so rare that I fart. 'Cause my farts turn into burps.